everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel Quick Guide. In today's video I'm gonna show you guys how to download or install Picsart application on your PC. For this guys, what you need to do is just open up any web browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and bring up the search bar and type in Picsart and go for this link. Now guys, you'll be taken to the official website of Picsart. Now at the top right of your screen you can see the 3 dot button. Just click on 3 dot button. Now go further down and see the save and share button, and over here you can see the create shortcut. Just click on create shortcut. Now from over here you can choose the name as you want and just click on this square box and hit for create button. Now see guys, your application is installed. Now see guys, your application has been installed. This much for today's video. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon for our latest video, and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.